bigger than I thought. Look. Katie, sharpen your view. What's going on? Oops.
Carbon monoxide, I bet.
Yeah.
Cutie. Wonder what happened.
Probably over there.
You'd see a lot more fire trucks though.
Be nice if you got out and let us go.
There's a lot of fucking
Don't you know it's all about us, buddy?
Ow! I actually cut myself. Okay. Papa? There's a big fire somewhere. I have no idea where. You guys, I'll get back to you. Fuck off. And adios, guys.
Time at 5:05 a.m.
What the fuck?
Two cops, let's see. Some hairy face.
Blank up EMS, guys. Not sure who else is gonna come, but might as well just stay out of the way. Oh. Are they turning? No, they're not turning. Wow. Wonder what the hell is going on. Really don't know what the fuck is going on. But, if an EMS chief does come down here, I might just hitch a ride. What are you looking at, faggot? Pretty sure an EMS chief is going to be coming down here. And if so, I'm just gonna hitch a ride because I'm gonna know the guy anyways. Oh, no, there's a cop. There's a cop right there. He's not turning his lights on or anything though. sadly. All the snow melted, by the way. It's cloudy as hell out. No more ice at all. I think that's Bobby Brantley. There this cop go. There goes the cop. And he's gone. If an EMS chief does come down here, try to bet one wheel, I'll take a video. So peace out, guys.
I got him a nice pair of Lee Riders, which are good so he can wear them to school, but they're nice because the first day you wear them, they're gonna look nice, and then you mess them up. And then I got him some nice shoes at Payless, nice men's shoes that are like he can wear to school if he feels like it because they're leather. Socks, a black shirt that's very cool, but the jacket, it's like a sweater jacket with some leather epaulets, but it is so user friendly. It's got pockets, it's got a zipper pocket, like it's so nice. Joey looked at it and went, "Whoa, I like that." Yeah, so it passed, and I got him a belt. He's got a belt, and Katie, I got a beautiful skirt, really, really designer that fits her perfectly, and a very nice satin blouse. This is what we did. We piled. This is my trick. She likes to grab. So I let her grab everything she can find, and then I grab 3 sizes of everything I think is good for her. And then we go to the dressing room and we go crazy. And she tries things on. She sees what looks good and what doesn't, and she falls in love with everything.
It has balls.
I almost fell. Okay guys, we're getting to the Diaphone once again for this nasty ass motherfucking storm that we're supposed to be getting any moment now. There's lightning. There's the Diaphone. They refurbished them, which I think sounds hideous as of right now. But peace out, guys. Okay, guys. There it is. Oh, they're turning. It's over there. I don't smell any smoke, do you? Jesus fucking Christ. Comes the chief. Another chief. I'm sure that when we come down. This is the second time this has fucking happened. I'm out of fucking breath. Pretty sure it's coming from there. I can be wrong. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is this fire chief? I swear to God. I don't even know who the fuck that is. I don't even know what the fuck just happened. Okay, I now smell smoke. City of Vine Cove. I'm hoping if... So I guess it was a false. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, fire truck over there. Seems to me it was a false. There's the rescue. Never mind. This is the rescue, I'm pretty sure. Jesus fucking Christ. That was loud as fuck. I'm gonna have to see what the fuck happened in a little bit. But you guys, peace out. I am out of fucking breath in the middle of watching Roman Atwood vlogs. Those are fucking ass loud ass fucking trucks. Goodbye. Okay, now you guys, I can finally show you. I'm gonna be coming over here. Here's Dad. Kate, Dad. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. Hurry up! Hurry! 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 The reason why is because there's a bunch of fire trucks. Open the window. Copper just went by.
I saw the big fire truck like a fucking ladder go by.
Where?
It was down the other. If you go down the street.
Yeah, cause earlier today they came from this way.
Like around on the island.
Yeah. What's the street down there?
That street is Eastland.
Eastland? Is that what that is?
Yeah,
Do I
near Justin's house.
What's the code?
They're on the island again, Mike.
Did you open the window?
No, I got it. Two.
Double decker. Nassau County.
Okay, you guys, they're gonna be doing a 12 noon test in about 2 or 3 minutes. First, it's gonna be the diaphone. Okay. See? That's it. Adios.
Nope. More?
No.
That's it.
Told you it was. That is, I believe, a fire chief or an ambulance. Diaphone just went off too. But yeah. And slash, it was also raining, so yeah. This is another one. I'm thinking it's an automatic fire alarm. Because there wouldn't just be 2 fire chiefs there. But I can't zoom in, sadly. Just deal with it. It's an automatic fire alarm. I know that for a fact because I wasn't just there. I got a call on my pager. There's about friggin' 5 chiefs over there right now. But yeah, peace out. it's right there. Okay guys, sorry about that. But yeah, you guys, it's over. The reason why they did that is because there was either a car accident or a CO alarm. But yeah, hey, found a dead bird. No, kidding. But yeah, peace out. Where are they turning? On it.
Video, take a photo because videos take up half of my space.
No, they don't. I'm dead serious. I did it before. This is the house in New York Fire Department.
Yeah.
There's the no, that's not.
Harrison. It's Harrison.
Yeah, house in police charger. This is another episode of FuckTheseFireworks.com New York style. So good luck. Adios.
So when you
Please join us at FuckTheseFireworks.com New York style. Goodbye. I don't know if you guys heard that, but Glen Cove, and then Seacliff, then ones that I did in the other video were Bayville and Oyster Bay. So peace out. Do you hear the siren? I'm not gonna. That was Huntington Fire Station siren going off. I guess. I'm not sure. Siren's going off again. You're gonna call me. Isn't that a phone? They just refurbished the Diaphones too. That's my car. This is the second time this has happened. Diaphone's gonna go off again. Just keeps on going. You see? second time. I got called out of school. I'm not allowed to leave fucking campus. But yeah, there it is. It's gonna do it again. See? I know my fire department. Ah, God, it's loud. Okay, that's it, guys. Who's responding now? Sounds like they're responding down here. I can see it. I can tell that's a hook. I can tell that's the hook and ladder because I know the sound. Oh shit, they are. Okay, peace out, guys. I gotta go. What's up, guys? That's Glenwood Fire Station. And there it goes. Adios. Okay, guys, that's the fire truck. Bye, Santa! Go get a picture with him. watch out, guys. Peace. Polish. Yep, I got this. This is the siren going off. Okay, that is the siren. No, the diaphone, I should say. You can hear it. You can also hear the siren going off. I think you can hear it. Hey! Okay, guys. Hope you can hear it. Okay.
Wait, watch. Oh, yeah, I was going to say, watch that joke.
Shut the door.
Wait a minute, I didn't even get my foot in. Robbie? Mike, what is that? You doing that?
No.
What is that?
Someone.
This would be like.
It's a diaphone now. Shh.
Right.
Get out of the picture. You got Joe, move. It's over there, guys. Nobody can hear it now.
Take lollipop time.
Shh.
Brown. Watch out. We'll close the lights. Who? Oh, Laura? I do too, but you know what's better than nothing.
Okay, guys. That was it. Subscribe or die. Is this clear up?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We just went over a gigantic puddle.
Yeah.
There's some brake lights. Quiet. My shoes are soaking wet. He's soaking wet. My dad. That's my dad. Who's the best doctor I've ever met. I actually had to get my finger pricked today, which doesn't hurt. we have to watch out for puddles because the light for the battery, I cut that too. The storm is pretty insane. What?
Tell me when we get home.
Why?
I can't watch now.
I know you can't watch now. You look so tired. You want me to go?
I'm just being careful.
Here are some traffic lights. This is my first iPad that I've ever gotten. My dad has the same exact iPad. He has the iPhone 4S too. I heard that the iPhone 5 just came out. Did you hear about that? You did? Say hi to my dad, YouTubers. Hola.
Hi, YouTubers. I like to tube.
What?
I like going tubing. Tubing is fun. I go tubing in the pool. I have a
Stop.
black tube.
Stop. This is a pretty serious storm.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that. I like to YouTube. I tube YouTube.
You know what, you guys? I might
Oh,
just...
look at this river.
Whoa.
Shit.
Whoa.
Right, I'm going through right now.
Wanna stay at...
Uncle Mansion.
Yeah. Whose brakes are those?
It's a belt.
What's up with the belt then?
Just wet.
Oh. Sorry about that squeaking. It's the belt in the hood, which is all wet now. Like I said, my shoes are soaking wet. I risked my life just to get an umbrella, which I couldn't find. I opened this door first, then that door, and then that door. And then
Watch your traffic light.
lights are out. The lights are out. The lights are out, guys. And make sure all the windows are shut. The lights are out. Okay? Those aren't. The ones that are back there, sorry, I have a cold. What? That's not out. That's a street light. What?
Just that corner. That's big because you got the firehouse on the street from
Serious?
there. Yeah.
There's a firehouse up the street there?
To the left. Yeah.
Which one is it?
Roslyn.
I think I caught that too. Ah, shit. Emergency vehicles up ahead.
See what they wants to do.
Hey, watch your mouth. Yep, emergency vehicles. I don't know if I can... You wanna know something? This is an accident.
Let's see what they
What?
want to do.
Yeah, it's an ambulance. Somebody got hurt. I can use this. Is that a... There's some more emergency vehicles. Right there. Yeah. Well, maybe it's because the lights are out. What?
Let's see. Nuts. Where are you gonna send us? What are they doing? Shit.
Go. Oh, no, it's a fire truck.
Why are they going through the school? Oh, they're going to cut through the school. This guy's backing up.
There's a tow truck. There's a fire truck. Yep, it's a fire truck.
Phew, it's hot. It's hot.
Turn on the AC. Oh wait, the AC doesn't work. I don't know if you guys can see the... Yeah, you know what? I can see the fire truck. What's wrong?
It's an airing.
There it is. There's probably a leak in the school, carbon monoxide.
Oh, the Christmas tree.
What?
I smell something. Right.
You do? Oh, shoot, I do smell it.
It wouldn't be in the school. They wouldn't be passing us through here.
There's a fire truck. Which one is this? Which one does that say, Rosalind? Look at those pretty lights.
Roslyn Rescue.
Hi. What happened?
Where the hell is this guy going?
There's the fire truck from behind. He's probably security.
Bullshit.
Yeah, the lights are probably out. Okay, you guys, I got to go. Actually, no. I guess I'll just leave it here. Make sure it doesn't freaking fall. Doesn't look like it'll fall. Here, I'm gonna call Kate and tell her. I'm just gonna call Kate, okay?
Let's let these guys through here. It's so weird. Look at this. It's bizarre. Man.
What? Maybe I should call,
Don't, you're gonna scare her. Call Karen.
yeah, but is Karen there?
Yeah, I hope so. Call Joey or Natty. Natty called me before. Text me before. God damn it.
Yeah, hold on.
How much charge do I have left on
You have 18%.
there? Oh, alright, that'll get us home.
Yeah, but wait, dude, is he even plugged in?
That's alright, no, I don't want to plug it in. It's battery. We're in a pickle. Beach nut chewing, then a pickle.
Hey, Eric Romero, isn't he,
My good friend. Scott.
open your window?
It's a copper.
I want to get a perfect view of this. Thanks. My dad just opened the window. This might be a detour, which I hope it isn't.
No. Just gonna put us back on the road.
Why?
Because I guess it's an accident. Wish I knew a shortcut.
This is ridiculous. This, you guys, I mean, all my YouTuber fans,
No, look, they're moving.
there goes one,
Why are they stopping us?
and there goes two.
Is there somebody stopping us?
There they go. Oh, Nobody's there.
I know.
There they are. Okay. That's all you guys are gonna get from now on. Until we have another storm. Which I hope we will. Oh, was this? Don't. They're putting us back on the road.
Yeah.
There they go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We are going, buddy. We are going. Make no mistake about it.
Maybe there was a house fire. We are on our way back home. I was at my dad's office.
I told you when you roll with me, there's excitement.
What?
There's always excitement when you're with me. You never know what's going to happen when you're with me. Did you talk
First-
to anybody at home?
No, not yet. I want to get the Chiefs cause. So yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, rate, comment, subscribe. You know if I said subscribe twice. And like, of course. Peace out, guys. Hey YouTubers, this is the Diaphone. Just wait for it. Should be here soon. 5, 4. There you go. Hold on, Karen.